locked and ready to go. So we've owned the van now for just over 1 week, and still looks like pretty empty. Haven't done too much. Lucy made some screens yesterday, which should be nice to keep out the bugs. And today we are finally going to build. Yesterday we were meant to start, but we were unable to because it stormed unexpectedly. It was supposed to be like 35 degrees and sunny. Instead it was stormy and not that hot, so it rained. So here we are, about to start our first cuts. Woo! Just flipping things. Box one done.
So?
This is the first thing we actually built. First structure done. Well, I mean, this is just one piece of the whole structure, but hopefully it's a good start. Pro tip: if you feel like the screw isn't going in far enough, just check your dial, because you might just have it on screwdriver setting instead of drill setting. And not pushing it in.
Is it good? Nee, was war immer Ding wrong?
You like shake? Half a box done. My brother is helping us correct our mistakes with a hand plane. Because we don't know how to cut properly, we cut things slightly angled when it needs to be completely flat, and then when we went to mount the crossbar, the entire thing was all warped. So we have to try to fix that issue. About to cut a hole in the roof. Oh no.
Cables.
Yeah, now what to do. So we cut the hole, not knowing that this thing was under there. Thank God we didn't cut the wire, because we don't actually know what that wire is. We're assuming it's these lights, but who knows. Now we have a hole in the roof in the wrong spot. A hole in our roof. And there's metal everywhere. From the inside of the car, on the 4 corners that we cut out yesterday. Woo! Oh my God. happy to be building this car?
Not anymore.
Are you ready to be done?
Yeah, I'm so ready. I was ready last week to be done. I'm going to build kitchen today.
Weeks now since we've owned this car, and we still have loads to do. Nah, just kidding.
We still have loads to do.
Here's what our back looks like for now. Still a little bit left to do on that. The inside is a complete mess right now, but will be cleaned up. Yes, a few days ago we installed the fan. Except there's still a little bit to do with the wiring. You can see it's in there, but the wires are hanging down, so it's not powered yet. Yesterday we installed all of the, well, most of the electronics. So we put another battery in, hooked it to the starter battery. But yeah, I'll show all that separately. Yeah, so all we have left to do now is stain this, actually put a hole and do the plumbing, do the curtains, and that's about it, I think. Go shopping for some goodies.
And also we will need to put some kind of board back there so it can support.
Yeah, headboard for the bed. But yeah, it's not too far off. Getting excited. And you? You happy to be done?
I'm very happy to be done. I was ready to be done 2 weeks ago. So
she hates this.
Let's see what's
I'm
gonna
hating
happen.
it now too. I'm ready to be done. Alright, peace out. Our sink. Gonna try to drill a hole in the bottom of that. This hole saw bit didn't fit on the regular drill, so we're using this drill press.
Hot, like it's stopping it from
The rubber, you think?
I don't know. I'm not sure what's stopping it exactly.
It's actually started burning the wood. So close. But no good. It's extremely hot. Can't even touch it, it's so hot. Attempt number 3. We are using some oil and a fan to cool it down. Hopefully that will do the trick. Just trying to get the oil in all the crevices of the hole that started. Alright, take 4. For the little marine pump faucet that's sitting right there. This should be an easy part, let's hope. Ready?
Oh, I think that one works.
I mean, if it can barely get through wood, how's it ever gonna get through that metal?
It's too weak, right? Stay out.
Oh my god.
What?
It's not gonna work.
Why?
Maybe I'm overacting, but I
You
think
are
we fucked it
overacting.
up. Perfect.
Because I want it to work.
Not pretty, it's not the most beautiful hole. It's actually pretty ugly, but
We
it
can
doesn't
work
matter
it out.
because
This works perfectly, so we just place this thing here. From the other side, we seal this with this
The
black,
gasket.
which came with these things, and then just screw it from this side. This. Screw it in there, so this is not moving. And now we place it into our sink, which belongs here. And we just install this part, which we ordered separately, which this will lead into our wastewater. So this will be in the wastewater, and this will just put it on the bottom here. I'll just take it out. And it's done. It's tight, nice and tight, and now we put it back here, so the water will go there, and this will go to the waste jugger.
perfecto.
Okay, it's making me so happy.
Our bed, I'll give you a little run through of how it works. This is the head of the bed where we will sleep and rest our heads. Here is the kitchen. I'll give you a better tour later, but this is for the Coleman, the little 2-burner stove. This is the sink, just a salad bowl. This is a marine pump, just a hand pump, no electrics. This is the clean water tank, the gray dirty water tank. Those are our hoses that will be hooked up after we put this in install. These are actually, believe it or not, they're samples from Lowe's, and then we'll just put our cutting board right on that. We just thought it looked cool. This is where our fridge will go. This is the head of the bed, as I explained. This piece will bridge the gap between the head of the bed and the foot of the bed, and it just, on the back of it, there's little slits right here that just fit perfectly onto the bench or the foot of the bed and this part of the head of the bed. And then the part that's in here is the foot of the bed. The mattress at the end will go in there. There's just storage under there. The battery and inverter are in there. Still a tad bit of work to do on that, and that will also be explained in more depth in a different video. And this is how the van looks when it's completely empty. There is our fantastic fan that's finally installed. We've tested it, it works, which is good news. And yeah, that's it. Now we'll show you how we actually put everything in, because it is quite a modular bed, so it can go in and come out pretty easily. Well, not easily, but it can be done.
Come out pretty easily.
So there's the kitchen fully installed with the headboard above. That's the headboard. We're thinking about still adding something here. We might just run like hooks from here to here with some like food storage. And then here's the view from the inside. The mattress will go there. We have a 4-inch memory foam mattress, which will be really nice. We've tested it out already. It's very comfortable. Yeah, and then we'll just have to buy some supplies to fill it up. Can't wait.